Hello dear students, I am Kiran Rawat Kantura from Kendriya Vidyalaya FRI, Dehradun. I am sure you all are doing great and must have enjoyed chapter 6 of science, that was material around us, and I am confident that you all are ready to learn next chapter, that is temperature and measurement. Topics to be covered in today's sessions are concept of hot and cold, meaning of temperature, thermometer as an equipment to measure temperature and its types, clinical thermometer, types of clinical thermometer, temperature scales. Let us focus on targeted learning outcomes of today's session. Understand the concept of temperature and temperature scales and its significance in everyday life. Identify different types of thermometers. Explore knowledge of different temperature scales such as Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. See in the slides and find out which objects are hot and which one are cold. Yes, you have answered correctly. Pictures A, D and E are hot and pictures B, C and F are cold. I am sure you all love to enjoy ice cream. Yes, we all love to enjoy it. It's yummy, isn't it? Okay, in which season do you love to enjoy ice cream? Yes, during hot day or in summer season, because the weather is hot and temperature of our surrounding rises. Now, the question is, what do you mean by the term temperature? Temperature is a reliable measure of degree of hotness or coldness of the body. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It gives a precise number of described warmth. Higher temperature means something is hotter and while lower temperature means is colder. How do we know exactly how hot and how cold something is? Of course, by touching those objects. It makes us to feel warm, hot or cold. Okay? Can we measure the temperature by simply touching it? No, because hot and cold can be felt different in different situations. If not, always give accurately information. To have accuracy, we need a device. Let me explain this with an example. Dear students, you can try this fun activity at your home with the help of your parents. Do not use hot boiling water. Just use warm water that is safe to touch. Have a fun, but please be careful. Let us enjoy our activities. Material required: 3 large containers or bowls, water, warm, cold and tap water. Labels of stickers to mark them container as A, B and C. Step to follows. Label the containers, mark them as A, B and C. Fill the containers, A with the warm water, not too hot. Container B with the tap water, normal water. And container C with cold water. Dip your right hand in container A, warm water, and left hand in container C, cold water. Keep both hands in the water for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, take out both the hands from the containers A and C and dip into container B, tap water. What will you feel? Yes, your right hand will feel the cold water in container B and in same container your left hand will feel it warm. But being the same water, why the sensation is different in left and right hands? What do we learn from this activity? Don't you feel it was tricky? We cannot always trust our skin to tell the correct temperature. That's why we use a device or an instrument to measure the temperature accurately. imagine a child is sick and doctor want to know if he has fever. Then beside touching the forehead, doctor use an instrument. Do you know it? Now, in next slide, we will discuss about the instrument, the device or instrument that help us to measure the temperature of an object or a body is called thermometer. Students, do we use same kind of thermometer to measure the temperature of different objects such as hot water or human body? No, there are two different type of thermometer. One is clinical thermometer and other one is laboratory thermometer. Generally, clinical thermometer are three types. Digital thermometer is show temperature in digit form. It is done with the small round battery. Digital thermometer unit is denoted in Fahrenheit scale. Infrared thermometer is measured temperature without touching a person body because it prevents transmission of infection of any kind. There, doctor or health workers use a device to measure our body temperature by keeping it close to our forehead. It is infrared thermometer. Mercury thermometer, its range between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. It has mercury, which is a metal and always exists in a liquid state in room temperature. It is extremely toxic and difficult to dispose it if breaks accidentally. Slide, we will know about the scales of temperature and their inventor. Temperature, which measure in Celsius scale, was invented by Andreas Celsius. Temperature, which is measured in Fahrenheit scale, was invented by Daniel Fahrenheit. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature, which has been named after Lord Kelvin and represented in capital K. Now, dear students, let's take a quick revision of today's session. We feel temperature but cannot always touch on our skin to measure it accurately. That's why we need a thermometer. Temperature tells us how hot and cold something is. Higher temperature means hotter, lower temperature means colder. Thermometer are the expert in measuring different temperatures. Clinical thermometer used for to measure temperature of human body, and generally it is three types: mercury thermometer, digital thermometer and infrared thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is used for the experimental in lab for measuring the temperature of different substances. Temperature measures in three different scales: Celsius, invented by Andreas Celsius; Fahrenheit, invented by Daniel Fahrenheit; Kelvin, the official SI unit and created by Lord Kelvin. That's all for today's session. We will meet again in next session of same chapter. Till then, keep exploring and stay curious. Thank you.